we're going to be looking at the Fitbit Versa 2 here. So this is the second edition of the Versa, and this one's also titled the Special Edition. Some of the things that it's known for, this device now has a AMOLED display, also has a always-on functionality. So let's see what's inside this box. Of course, the main Fitbit device there. Neat looking gadget. Kind of a silver gray kind of color, and feels like a cloth fabric. And looking at the other contents, there's a little user manual here. Gotta give it to them for this excellent packaging. An extra strap, multiple colors, some rubberized ones. I think that's a great inclusion. And the charger pack. And of course, beautifully packaged box here. We'll look at this in more detail in our full review.